Okay, so for the eyes, we need 2 balls of fondant approximately the same size, so I like to kind of roll them both out first. Okay, this one's bigger, so add a little bit more to this one. Pretty close in size. Okay, so roll it into a ball, and if I take my finger and roll back and forth once or twice, and then flatten it, that is one of the eyes. Then I need a little bit of water. We'll place that right here. Okay, and the other one, back and forth a couple times, flatten it, little water on the back. Okay, the antennas, cut this in half. We can poke these in back here. Okay, then I'm going to put a nose. I'm going to do it the same color green as the head. So I just need a ball of fondant like this, a little bit of water between the eyes and the nose. Alright, and then the mouth, I'm going to do it in the pink. The black's just going to be a little bit too dark, so. Okay, so take this, okay, it's a ball, and then start to roll it out and thin out both ends by putting your finger on the ends, keeping the center a little bit thicker. So I just push down on both ends. Okay, so I have something like this. Again, a little bit of water right down there. You want to take this, up it right there. There we go. And just take anything you have, like I have the spatula, and just make a line right in the center. You can use a toothpick if you want, whatever you have around. Just the black fondant. I need a couple of balls. And I take that, place it right on here and flatten it. I didn't put any water there. If it's not sticking, then you need to place a little bit of water there. But this is pretty, it's pretty soft. So, okay. Then I want to take another couple of balls of fondant, about the same size, and place them on the ends of the antennas. Like that. Next step, eyelashes. Okay, for the eyelashes, again I start with a ball about the same size. Start to roll it out like this. And then what I want to do is place a little water on this side, and we'll have some over here. So if I place this on and curve it like so, okay, and then touch the, I usually touch the cornstarch so that my fingers don't stick to the fondant. And what I want to do is just pinch this and kind of keep it curved. Okay, then what you can do is take some very, very small scissors and cut in you want some of the cuts to be deeper and some not so deep.